Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for SUI price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. Starting on the daily chart here, we are looking at two possible scenarios for bullish and one possible bearish scenario, of course. Starting with the A, B, and C as first, a bullish scenario might be finished. Your wave C has 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Your wave 5 has probably finished here as an ending diagonal, of course, finishing a wave C, and start to look for lower prices in a bearish scenario, meaning we might be, of course, here looking for a 3 corrective structure or even an impulse toward the downside. So this is your bearish scenario. Your second bullish scenario is 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. And we might still looking for a wave 3 at 1.618, $8.3 for SUI, and then 4 and a 5 continuation to the upside. Now the most highest possibility probably is a finished wave C here as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and start to looking for lower prices. And that because on the 1 hour chart here we can see that an impulse is already unfolding toward the downside after topping here for a wave 5 as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and after A, B, C, D, E as a triangle, perfect triangle finished, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 finishing wave 5, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3 and then 4 and a 5, of course still looking for lower. And yeah, as you can see, the 1.618 was perfectly respected here for a wave 3. That's awesome to see. And yeah, after this, a deep wave 4 as an expanding flat without reaching the wave 1 here in the orange. There is no invalidation for this impulse. Everything's still okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. We're still looking, of course, to take this low for a wave 5 in the orange scenario. Now your target for this wave 5 might be the following, and wave 5 over wave 1, probably reaching the 4.12 as a common target for a wave 5. So this might be an extended wave 5, by the way, because yeah, it's very possible you're the wave 3, well, not so short, but yeah, it's still possible to get an extended wave 5, but yeah, also don't forget the uncommon target at a 4.22 that it might, of course, finish this wave 5. We have already here a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, probably, yeah, that it might just finish even before. So be careful with it. Important, very important thing to count the waves in your last wave, because it can start to finish at any time, even without reaching the uncommon target. Sometimes it can be truncated. So yeah, so these are the things. Now what could happen next? What is next after this? This can transform into wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, possible scenario as an impulse toward the downside, of course, to be rechecked, or it can be a wave A, B, and a C. So in that scenario, of course, it might be corrective still, but a deep correction, and then start to move toward the upside again, because your trend is toward the upside. If you get a correction, then you might see continuation toward the upside. If you are impulsive in a wave 1, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then of course continuation toward the downside. So basically, those are the scenario for SUI. Let me recap very fast. We are still looking currently for a lower price, probably reaching the 4.22, maybe even less. We are looking, of course, here at two possibilities in bearish scenario. One, it can be, of course, finishing this impulse as a wave 1 or finishing this impulse as a wave A. In case you are in A, therefore you are A, B, and a C, meaning corrective 3 ways, meaning continuation toward the upside, the trend is toward the upside. In case this will be a wave 1, so we're gonna see a wave 2, and if we start to see, of course, lower prices after it, we would like, of course, to reach a 1.618 for wave 3, and of course continuation toward the downside with a bearish market. That was it for SUI. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.